Coinbase is a leading global cryptocurrency exchange designed for ease of use and accessibility. It allows users to buy, sell, and store a wide range of cryptocurrencies through a clean, intuitive interface. Coinbase operates with high liquidity and supports features like staking, educational resources, and advanced trading options via Coinbase Pro. Its strengths include broad coin selection, strong regulatory compliance, and a reliable mobile app. However, fees can be higher compared to some competitors, and the platform may feel complex for absolute beginners. Ideal users are those seeking a well-established exchange with global reach, a variety of assets, and integrated tools for both beginners and experienced traders. Coinbase's extensive network and security measures make it a dependable choice for diverse crypto activities. Source: www.coinbase.com/NR. ZebPay is a crypto exchange primarily focused on the Indian market, offering a secure and straightforward platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies. It emphasizes robust security protocols, including multi-signature wallets and cold storage to protect user assets. ZebPay supports a curated list of popular coins and provides easy INR deposits and withdrawals, making it convenient for Indian users. The platform is praised for its customer support and compliance with local regulations. Limitations include a smaller selection of cryptocurrencies compared to global exchanges and less advanced trading features. ZebPay is ideal for users in India who prioritize security, local currency transactions, and a reliable, user-friendly experience without the complexity of larger international platforms. Source: https://http www.zebpay. Comparing Coinbase and ZebPay highlights the trade-off between global versatility and regional specialization. Coinbase excels in offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and advanced trading tools, suitable for users wanting international exposure and multiple asset options. ZebPay stands out with its strong security focus and seamless integration with Indian banking systems, ideal for local traders prioritizing safety and INR transactions. While Coinbase may incur higher fees, it provides more features and liquidity. ZebPay offers competitive fees and straightforward usability, but with limited coin variety. Choosing between them depends on whether you need a global platform with extensive options or a secure, India-centric exchange optimized for local users. Choose Coinbase if you want a global exchange with broad cryptocurrency options and advanced trading features. Opt for ZebPay if you prioritize security and easy INR transactions within India. Both platforms serve different needs, so pick the one that aligns best with your trading goals.